I'm gonna give you 3 steps to drop D tuning for guitar. I love drop D tuning, especially for hard rock and metal. Those low power chords just sound amazing, but it sounds good on acoustic guitar as well. Now for this video, I'm going to assume that you're new to guitar, but if you're not, if you've been playing for a while, hang in there because step 3 is really going to be what you want. So step number 1 is get a tuner. And you might be saying, well, where do I get a tuner? Well, one of the most popular ways now is through an app on your phone. I use the Pano tuner, P-A-N-O, and it comes for Android or Apple iOS, and it's free. I highly recommend it. It's the type of tuner that listens to you, and it'll tell you if your guitar is on tune. Another type is this right here, the type that clips onto your guitar. This is a Korg AW2. The snark is really good as well. Check this out. You just put this right here on the end. Boom, there it goes, and I'm ready to go. This has a microphone and can listen to me, or let's say I'm playing with a band and it's really noisy, I can put it on piezo feature and it hears it through vibration, which is really nice because if there's a lot of noise, it hears just me and not everybody else in the room. So I love that. Another type of tuner is a tuner that generates a tone and you tune to it. Fender.com on the web has a free one, so I highly recommend that one. It generates a tone, you can listen to it, and you hear it, and you'll hear your tone kind of conflicting, and then when it matches up, you'll hear it almost like it disappears. That is when you are in tune, and what I love about that is its critical listening skills. You really have to listen carefully. You hear the pitches conflict, you hear them bouncing off each other, and then boom, it sounds like one of them disappears. That's when you're in tune. So again, Fender.com is a great resource. So once you have your tuner, I'm gonna use my little clip-on right here. Go ahead and tune to standard tuning. Now on your guitar, that's first string E, second string B, third string G, fourth string D, fifth string A, sixth string, your lower thick E. So let's go ahead and do that. So first string E, I'm in tune, B, and I dropped it down a little bit and tuned up to it. Try tuning up to the note and matching it there. It might hold a little bit better for you. G. Now D, fourth string. Fifth string A. Tuned up to it there, it's on. And now sixth string, your thickest, lowest string, E. And this leads us straight into step number 3. We're gonna take this sixth string, this low E string that we just tuned, and we're gonna drop it down a whole step or 2 frets worth to D. So there we go, E, E flat, D. There we go. Here's a pro tip for you. If, let's say, you put your tuner away and you don't have your tuner, play the 4th string D and now touch the 12th fret on the low E string, which is now low D string. It's gonna give you the same note. So that's a fun way to check real quick to see if you're in tune. Now, let's check it out. I'm gonna turn up the volume a little bit. It's gonna give you a heavier tone. And that's a fun thing. You can play the D chord, and now you can play all the strings below it open. Sounds fantastic. I love it. So there you go. 3 easy steps to drop D tuning. If you really enjoyed this and you found this tutorial helpful, would you please give me a like and share this with somebody else that you think would really enjoy it? And as always, down in the comments section below, let me know if I missed anything. Give me a question down there. Do you have any additional questions about this? And as always, subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you'll get more notifications when I come out with more content like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day. Bye.